Assalamu alaikum. So today I will discuss continuity from right and continuity from left. Okay. So today I will discuss this point. Look over here. So let me start continuity from right. See this definition. Continuity of function f is continuous from the right at a number a if this limit exists, this condition exists. Okay. And the function f is continuous from the left at the number a if this condition holds. Okay. So continuous from the right. Okay. Let me write here definition. Function f is continuous from right at this number. Continuous from right at a at this number a. If so continuous from right, see this continuous from right right limit here, limit x goes to a plus fx if this limit equal to value of function f(a). If this right limit at number a equal to value of function at a, if this condition holds, then you say function f is continuous from right at this number a. Okay. And function f is continuous from left यानी ऐसा from left at this number a, from left at this number a if this condition holds. Left यानी left limit, you have to check left limit at this x goes to a from the x goes to a minus यानी left limit fx and this equal to f of a. Okay. So here function is said to be continuous from the left at this number a if this left limit x goes to a from the left limit and this equal to value of function at a. If this condition holds, then you say function is continuous from the left at number a. Okay, from the left at number. I will give you here example. Example is this. This is the example. See this. This exercise. Determine whether function f is continuous from the right or from the left or neither. Okay, you have to check this. Function f is continuous from the left or from the right or neither. Okay, so definition here. Let me check here. See the function. Function is this. Let me draw here function. This is the function. Here मौजूद -4. Here -2. And this is 0. And this is 2. This is 2 here. This is 4. And this is 6. So let me write here also. This is 2. And this is 4. This is 6. This way. So here let's open function this way. And here मौजूद dark this way. Okay. Here मौजूद dark. I'm going this way. And then coming here. This way. And this way. And this is here. Coming this way. Right. I'm going this way. This is the function. So first you check at x equal to 4. First you check at this point. At this. At x equal to -4. Check this function is left continuous or right continuous. Check at this point 4. Okay. So at this point 4, if we check this f, if we check f of -4, okay, this is come f is having -4, okay, f of -4. So if you go here upside, if you go here upside at this -4, go upside here. See this. So here no output मौजूद. Here hole in the graph. In the graph मौजूद hole. यानी just fog -4, above -4, hole मौजूद in the graph here. This is the hole, no point here, no point. Okay, hole यानी function not defined. Function not defined. So here at this one point -4, f -4 is not defined. No output because hole मौजूद is not defined. Not defined. So this condition fail. F of -4, this is 1. See this. If you are checking at this point A यानी -4. So this f of -4 hada. This not defined. Okay. So at -4, f is not f is discontinuous. Continuous at x equal to -4. Right. Now come to this point. -2. come to this point -2. See here -2. Check at this point at x equal to -2. Check here at x equal to -2. So first you check at x equal to -2. This one f of -2 आधा कम f of -2 यानी f of -2 यानी go here. Poke f of -2 go here. f of -2 go poke. So here dark मौजूद यानी आधा आउटपुट कम आउटपुट 2 मौजूद. Okay, so f of -2 equal to -2 आधा यानी defined. So f of -2 defined. Okay, now check the left limit at -2. Check the left limit at -2. And here, if I check the left limit x goes to -2 minus f of x आधा कम is equal to left limit यानी when x करीब -2 from the left mean SR hina SR करीब. So function here mean SR -2 आधा रसम बयानी आधा function करीब हिना. So and आधा कम आधा अरबा right. So this equal to f of -2 from the left f is equal to 4 So look over here, left hand limit आधा कम limit x goes to -2 from the left f of x आधा मौजूद अरबा and this f of -2 मौजूद -2. Okay, so माफी same. This is माफी f of -2. Okay, so our condition पे left. So this is not continuous from the left because आधा different. आधा -2 and आधा left limit अरबा. SR limit अरबा and f of -2 is -2 मुख्तलिफ. Okay, so here f is discontinuous from left at x equal to -2, discontinuous from left. Okay, now check from right. Check the right limit here. Check the right limit here. See this. Let me check right limit. So here, you know, f of -2 is equal to 2 here मौजूद. Now check the right limit. Check this limit x goes to -2 plus यानी x करीब -2 from यमीन plus यानी मीन यमीन. So here check this x करीब here from where from the right x करीब here then रसम बयानी हिना मौजूद रसम बयानी आधा करीब हिना यानी this one this point 2. See this. So this equal to what? When x करीब -2 from the right x करीब -2 मीन यमीन from the left then रसम बयानी here रसम बयानी hada from the left here yani this number 2. So this equal to 2 here. So now look this limit x goes to -2 from the right f of x hada same hada same f of -2. Okay, so it means right limit at -2 and f of -2. Same. It means f is continuous from the right. From the right at x equal to -2. Continuous from the right at x equal to -2. But not continuous from the left. Okay? Not continuous from the left at -2, but right continuous at -2. Do you understand this? Do you understand? Yes. Muhammad Nasir, yes. Hassan. Whole, if whole on the graph, yani whole means no point. If there is dark, dark means point mojud, right? Whole means no point there, not defined. Yes. Now another. See this. So come to this is not finished here. Come to 0 and come to 2. Okay. So see the here in the this here. Look over here. So function look here. At -4 not defined. So no continuous or discontinuous from left and right. At -2 here. At -2. At -2. At -2. Here function is continuous from the left and discontinuous from the right. Here khata. This is not sir. At -2. This is look here. Here also this very close graph here. هذا شوف هذا ما في close هذا here hole موجود هذا hole موجود and I have taken the graph dark. Okay, هذا hole here hole and I have taken dark هنا. I have taken dark خطأ and here also موجود hole at 2 موجود hole هذا dark and هذا dark هذا hole and هذا hole. Okay, so if take here hole, what I have taken here, I have taken dark here in the Rasan Bayani. It is open, yes, it is open here. But don't worry, if I have changed here, I have taken hole, I have taken here dark, and here also I have taken just wait. Let me correct this. This one and this one. This is dark here. Here mojud open. This is open here. This is also open here. Allah open. This one, and this one open. This close, and this close. Okay, now this is open. Check the graph. Now this is open. Yes, now this is okay. So if here open, then this is change here. See this. If here open, then what will happen at 2? Then different here. So f is at -2 at this -2. F of -2 is what? Take this. Here check open. Then what will happen? here. Again check at 2. So here what will happen? If taken here whole, so at x equal to -2, f of -2 come. F of -2 comes. See here. F of -2, if you go here 4, in here open any no point. So go here up. Hada point मौजूद. यानी hada arba, यानी this equal to arba, right? Okay. And the left limit x goes to -2 from SR left, and then fx equal to come. Fx equal to SR yani this. SR yani here. Hada, and then go 4, then SR hada. This way, here. So here मौजूद arba. So this equal to, it's मौजूद arba. So here what? This limit x goes to -2 from the left fx, and this equal to f of -2. So this is left. Okay. So this is f is here continuous from the left. F is, yes, continuous from the left at this -2. But if you take right limit, see the right limit here. Right limit, f of -2 here, f of -2 4. You know this here. And right limit, if you take right limit here, if you take right limit, so right means here x goes to -2 from the right, and here function is what? Here function is this hada coming here. It means here 2 मौजूद. So this equal to here मौजूद 2, this one, right, from the right, and f of -2 is -4. F of -2 is 4. So this is not same. Okay. So this is not continuous from the right. So this is discontinuous. This is discontinuous from the right at x equal to -2. Okay. Do you understand this? Why not 2? Why not 2? Because here open. This is open. If you go f of -2, see this. Open means no point. Open means no point. At this, see f -2. So father, f of -2. Go f of -2 yani just fog -2. Mafi SR mafi mean fog -2. Here above -2, here -2, here hada fog -2, here come here hada open मौजूद, no point. So open यानी go fog sufina hina dark मौजूद यानी hada point, just fog -2, and hada point यानी this arba, this one. See this. Do you understand now? Yes, clear. Okay. So here this is continuous from the left but not continuous from the right. So not continuous at -2. This is continuous from the left. Hada, this is 4. This is 4, and this limit is where I find the limit. This limit is from the left. Limit is also, yes, 4. Limit is also 4. Okay. So this is continuous. This equal. Pata here. This is continuous at x equal to -2. This 4 in this point. I have just checked here. Oh. Now come to next point. Come to the next point. See this. You have to check only this continuity, right? So check at 2 and 4. Now check at 2 and 4 here. This one, check here. See this. Check at this point at x equal to 2. This one at x equal to 2. First you see this f of 2 आधा कम f of 2 equal to कम. Okay, so f of 2 here मौजूद आधा वाहिद. Okay, f of 2 just go fork 2 so here मौजूद whole just above fork 2 हिना मौजूद whole, and then come here open, then come here आधा हिना मौजूद point, आधा मौजूद point डार्क यानी आधा 6. so this equal to 6. f of 2 equal to 6, right? Now find the limit, left limit and right limit. Now limit x goes to 2 from the left of fx is equal to come from the left. How much from the left? So from the left, if you here मौजूद SR, then असंबयानी हादा coming at where? Coming at this number 1. So this equal to 1. And what is the right limit? What is the right limit? Limit x goes to 2 from the right of fx. Okay, this equal to what? From the right here. If function मौजूद from the right यानी x goes to करीब to here. यमीन and हिना graph आधा यमीन रसम बयानी आधा here coming here at 6 is equal to 6. Okay, so now look, f of 2 6 आधा and right limit 6 आधा same यानी continuous from the right, not continuous from the left. Okay, so here what? Limit x goes to 2 from the left f of x not equal to f of 2. Okay, so discontinuous, and here limit x goes to 2 from f of x, this equal to f of 2. Okay, so this is here f is this continuous from left at this number 2. Okay, and here f is continuous from right at 2, continuous from right at 2. Okay, now come to the next number, come to the 4. So here you can say at number 2 continuous from the right. This is not minus 2. At checking at this number 2 yani hada plus 2. Okay, okay, now check at 4. check at 4 here. Check at this point 4. At this point 4, right? Let me check at 4. See here at 4. At number 4. Look here at number 4 here. At this point 4, f of 4 come. F of 4 equal to at this point 4. If you going for हिना मौजूद dark आधा dark मौजूद यानी this is the point, this is output here, this is point output here यानी 4. Okay, and now see the SR limit x goes to 4 from mean f of x आधा कम is equal to mean यानी point मौजूद हिना, so हिना रसम बयानी आधा SR आधा mean करीब here, coming here यानी this point, same point, so this equal to 4. Okay, and left limit come here, limit x goes to 4 minus f of x is equal to, so SR point मौजूद ही ना, x goes to 4 from the left, 4 minus यानी x goes to 4 from the left here, so हिना रसम बयानी हिना going this way यानी सालिब infinity, right? So this equal to सालिब infinity. Okay, so we same आधा same. Okay, right limit and f of 4 आधा same यानी continuous from the right, but आधा माफी same, आधा and आधा left limit माफी same, so not continuous from the left. This is the meaning. Okay, so this written here. At number 4, left limit is this minus infinity, right f of 4 same. Okay, I have checked now. So continuous from the right. Okay, so f is continuous from the right and this continuous from the left at this number 4. Okay, do you understand this? Why infinite? Why it infinite? Say this. Look over here. Look this. You have to check at this number 4. At this number 4. Okay. Problem. You have to check here at this 4, right? So f of 4 means just fog 4. So if you go here dark point, yani this number is equal to 4. Okay, and by then other limit x goes to 4 plus, So x goes to 4 from the right. Right means what? X goes to 4 from the right, यानी हिना x मौजूद here. करीब 4 from यमीन. So Sophia रसम बयानी min arba yamin rasam biyani min arba yamin rasam biyani hada and this rasam biyani going here karib this number same number. Okay, so this equal to 4, right? And this limit x goes to 4 minus fx yani hada minus yani x karib arba min yasar, x karib arba min yasar. So if x karib hina, so suf yasar yani hina rasam min arba yasar rasam yani where? When this karib x here karib arba, then hada suf tahat hina rasam bayani hada rasam bayani, and this way going this way down going down and down output come minus infinity, this one. Yes, now you understand. Okay, so minus infinity, right? So this is here right limit and the value of function is same, so continuous from the right. But here this one f of 4 equal to 4 and left limit is minus infinity, mark is same, so discontinuous from the left. This is the meaning. Okay, now understand. Now come to here. See this question. This example. For what value of function, if possible, that will make the function continuous everywhere. Okay, so I will discuss this question at next lecture. See one more example from left and right. See this example. If you have this, here 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Here 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4 here. I'm taking one graph here. Like that. Here. And one graph taking here. Here open. This way. This way. Now see this. Hada dark and Hada open. Okay. This is the graph of function fx. Now check at number 1. At x equal to 1. Check here at x equal to 1. If you write this at x equal to 1, if you write this f of 1 come here, tell me. F of Wahid come. F of Wahid come. 1. Yes, 1. Just fog. F of 1 means x is 1. Exact value x is 1. Fog 1. So if you go here, fog, hina dark मौजूद, यानी this point Wahid, output Wahid. right? Now check left limit at this point. Limit x goes to 1 from the left, f of x. Hada come, tell me. SR, SR limit. SR limit yani suf SR rasam bayani. When x करीब वाहिद mean SR, then rasam bayani where? Where rasam bayani? Tell me. From the left. X goes to 1 from the left. X goes to 1 from the left. See this. X from SR. X करीब 1 mean SR. So when x करीब 1 mean SR, then hada. Hada rasam bayani करीब hina mean SR. Rasam bayani करीब hina mean SR. This means this. Wahid. So this is equal to 1. Okay. After that, you check the right limit. Limit x goes to 1 plus fx. Hada come, tell me. X करीब 1 mean in. Then where rasam bayani? I mean rasam bayani where going? Tell me. 2. Yes. Plus. Plus यानी 2. यानी प्लस यानी फंक्शन मौजूद here you have to see यमीन yeah, sorry, here why x goes to 1 plus yani here यमीन. So यमीन रसम yani where? यमीन रसम yani here, coming here, and this point is what? This point is this 2. So this equal to 2 here. Okay. So this limit, this function is continuous from the left. See, hada and hada same. Left limit and this same. Okay. So limit here, x goes to 1 from the left, f of x, this equal to f of 1. Hada same. Okay. And this one, limit x goes to 1 plus f of x, hada mukhtalif. Okay. So this function is continuous from left. Continuous from left at this number 1. Okay. And this continuous from right at 1. This continuous from right at 1. Okay. Left limit yani suf. Left limit yani suf. SR limit yani suf SR rasam bayani. When x करीब number, then where rasam bayani. And yamin limit yani right limit yani suf yamin rasam bayani. When x करीब number mean yamin, then where is rasam bayani going? You have to see that. That is the limit. Okay. This way. Now clear 100%. Okay. Clear 100%. Right. So this is the left limit and right limit. Left continuity and right continuity. Okay. So today I will stop here. Any question, then ask me. Abdul Wahid. Yes. Abdul Rahman. Not 100%. 50-50. Why 50-50? Less 50-50. Oh. 50 ala 50. Out of 50-50. Good. Abdul Wahid. Assignment chapter 1. Okay, I will solve. First, did you upload on the Blackboard all assignments? Assignment 1. Okay. Abdul Rahman. So Hina, let's make it clear. यसार लिमिट यानी सुफ यसार लिमिट यानी सुफ यसार रस्म बयानी. When x करीब वाहिद mean यसार, x करीब वाहिद, input करीब वाहिद, then रस्म बयानी where going करीब वाहिद. Check here. What is this? You have to check here. If here number, if here number मौजूद वाहिद, okay? So सुफ हिना रस्म बयानी. If हिना रस्म बयानी सुफ here. सुफ यसार रस्म बयानी. If number करीब here, if number करीब here यसार, number here यसार मौजूद, and रस्म बयानी where यसार, रस्म बयानी here mean यसार here. Here means what? See here in output here. Here output father. Okay. If number here मौजूद वाहिद, then suf रस्म बयानी यमीन. रस्म बयानी यमीन here. Right limit for the right limit. If right x मौजूद, then रस्म बयानी मौजूद here. Father coming from the right here. From the right here coming here. करीब वाहिद ही ना रस्म बयानी. Then point here. So here point like that. Hada coming here from the right coming here. X करीब वाहिद ही ना. Then right रस्म बयानी करीब coming here. करीब वाहिद ही ना. So this point true. So what is confusion here? Right and left. Okay. So today I will stop here. Okay.